folks. It's actually afternoon. It's like, yeah, it's almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We're cutting beans, if you can't tell. So, first field, exciting. First pass and everything, so not a whole lot of filming going on right now because I'm trying to make sure all my settings are right. And everything's looking good. So far, everything's good. We tested it. The monitor says I'm running 9.5 on moisture. We tested at 11 and 9 earlier, so we'll see. Yeah, so far I'm not sure of yield yet. We'll have to figure that out when we send the first truck in. Having trouble with pods in there. Then I close concave down, speed rotor up, all this sort of stuff, and then I start getting cracked beans and stuff. So we're messing around, we're figuring it out, but we're gonna get there here shortly. So, but yeah, so this is the first of many on harvest 2025. Here we go. There goes the first load. So, we're doing pretty good so far. One load done. I just switched the rotor speed to high because I'm still having trouble with too many beans. So, I got too many beans being cracked or they're not popped out of the pods. And I'm messing with these two gears right here, and got the rotor at, you probably can't see that, but it's at 590, and then the concaves are at 12, which if I remember right, it's not quite 12, it's like a 9, because we didn't like set those to 0, so it's kind of at a 9. And I'm trying to get a consistent where we have no pods but no cracked beans. And I've got the no pods, but I've got the cracked beans. It seems like when I get the no cracked beans, I got pods. So it's a trade-off, and I'm having trouble figuring out where the best place is for that. So we're gonna see if this works. Hopefully it does. Otherwise, everything's going good. Finally got the GPS figured out. I did discover that the wipers do not work. I think when we changed out this windshield, I put it in wrong. So I'm gonna have to fix that at some point. We don't use them a whole lot, so, but I'm gonna have to fix that. So I'm gonna have to stop talking because the camera's almost dead and the day's not over. So we're gonna have to go as long as we can, and hopefully we can go longer. So, all right, well, I'll bring you back here in a little bit and give you an update on how everything's going. Well, it's the last pass of the first field, so that's always good. It's got to be good. Everything's going good. We're moving over to that field over there. It's like 2, 3, 5 acres, something like that. Still working on everything. Yeah, it's closer, but it's not quite fine-tuned yet. So, but we're getting close. So I think I'm gonna sign off for the night because we're not gonna get much else done, and I'll bring you back in the morning. So yeah. Well, good morning. It's another beautiful day. It's like 55, 60 degrees out. Sunday morning. So last you saw was Friday evening. I took yesterday off. It didn't rain. They went on and harvested, but I wasn't here. Had the day off. So for my my son's first birthday party. So we got all that done. They got a lot done while I was away for a day. So, but I'm back now. We're filling up this morning. Then we're gonna be going to church, and then we're gonna come back and harvesting. It's not gonna be ready until after church anyway. So, very heavy dew this morning. So it's been like that past couple days. Haven't been able to start until about noon or 1 o'clock. So, yeah. So it's full of fuel. We greased everything that needs to be greased. There is one guard in front that's broken, and chains need to be oiled, and that's all I need to do. And I'm kind of on a time crunch, so we've got to get that done quickly, and then I'll bring you back here after church, and we'll get some harvesting done today. Well, I don't got any guards for that, so I'm gonna clean windows instead for a little bit, and then we'll have to just fix that guard later today. Afternoon, we're back. It's the afternoon now. Obviously just said that. Anyway, we are headed over to get the header cart, and then we're going to bring it over to the field that we were in just a little bit ago for the head to sit on, so we can move it to the next field, because this one's not going to take very long. Oh, no, bumpy. So that's what we're gonna do this morning. I'm not sure if they're cutting beans or not. We'll find out when we drive by here in just a second. But yeah, so we're gonna do that, and then I think we're gonna move down to some of my beans. Pretty sure. I'm not 100% sure. They may not be ready yet. I don't know if anybody's checked them in a while, but we'll see. So that's the plan, at least, was to move down there, order a field over. So yeah, but all right. Well, I'll see you at the header cart. Looks like he's almost got that field done, so we're gonna be heading to the next field here shortly. been in here a minute. We just finished this field up. It's all good to go. So we're gonna drop the head and we're gonna move to a different farm. First, I didn't cut very many. I don't know if you can see that. Not a whole lot back there, but everything's looking good. GPS is having a little bit of trouble. So we're gonna be working on that. It's sensitivity on the steering wheel. It's not swinging the combine around as fast as it needs to be to make everything work. So we're gonna have to figure out what's going on there. But yeah, it seems to be working pretty good. We're all done, so we're gonna go. We're gonna get this unloaded and or the head taken off, and then move to the next field. Yeah, it should be good. It should come back more. Alright, well, we're waiting for the truck to move out of the way. I thought I'd show you this. So we're moving to a different field. So here we are. I don't know if you can see this very well with the screen. This is an old screen. It's a it's not Gen 5. Oh, that'd be nice. No, the new ones are Gen 5s. We've got a 2630. So I've got to go in here, got to find our field name. And then, what's in my way? Our client. We got to find the client. And then we're going to go with our first farm. And then we're going to go with the first field. Far field, middle west. We're going to west. That's what we want. So then we hit accept. Now we're there. It says there's no AB line, or no, the field doesn't exist. We have to get there and then it'll find the boundary. So that'll be good. But it should be set and ready to go. So now we're going to hit that button to make the auto steer work. Shift it here, and now we're going to be heading on the road to go to the next field. Okie dokie, we are doing our first unload of this new field. There's, I forget how many acres are here. 26? No, more than that. This field's bigger than 20. 30. It's somewhere between the 30 and 40, I believe. I can't remember now. But it's split up into 3 different fields. So we got the first big field, a really small one, and then a slightly bigger than the small one field. So yeah, so beans are looking good. It's pretty dry. They're running 11% right now is what this monitor is telling me. Whether that's accurate or not, I don't know. I'd have to test it, and we haven't got that yet. So it's looking like 53 bushels to the acre. So doing pretty good. Dave got this set a lot better. So yeah, it's a lot cleaner of its grain sample now, so which is good. So we're just plugging along. Not much interesting happening so far, but we're moving. So yeah, it's a fun time, I should say. So yeah. All right. Well, I may put you outside somewhere and get you all dusty. So for the sake of having a really nice, cool looking shot. So yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do now. Can you guys see anything? Because I can't see anything. It's a good thing we're running off of this, because otherwise, yeah, I'm not sure which way is up. Okay, it's been a minute. We moved to a new field. I think I said that. We're done now. I had to recharge the camera, so that's why we're done. And you haven't seen anything. So I forgot the hammer. Need the hammer. But we're taking, I've got a full load. I'm waiting for a grain truck to come back. And then we're taking the head off, moving up to another field. So yeah, everything's going good. That's why we haven't been filming a whole lot. Not much to film, but yeah, so we're gonna take the head off, and then we're just gonna wait until he gets here so we can unload, and then we're heading to another field. So all right, well, I gotta go get a hammer, and then we'll take this yeah, we'll pull everything off. So yeah, it's dusty and warm today too. Truck's here, head is off. We're going to there we go. We're gonna unload really quick, and then quite good, he seems a little close there, and then we're going to move to the next field. So we're on our last load of the day, I'm pretty sure. Could be. Dave just left with one load, heading to the bin. So we're gonna get this done, and then we're gonna be done for the day. So that's the first 2 days of harvest right there of 2025. Doing really good. We're averaging about 60 bushels per acre, I should say. Moisture's running pretty close to right where we want it, right around 11, 13, something like that. And yeah, so we're doing good, but yeah, tomorrow we've got maintenance to do, augers to set, and a truck to work on maybe. We have a truck that's overheating, so we'll see how that goes, but it should be a fun harvest. I hope you guys stick around to see what we're gonna do, because we're gonna get into some stuff, I'm pretty sure. So hopefully not, but that's how harvest goes sometimes. So all right, well, this will be it for this video. I hope you guys had fun, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.